If you hear me talking quietly, it's because I'm in the hallway of my apartment building and I don't want people thinking I'm weird. So, excuse the look. Just woke up and these are my computer glasses because I be studying. But anyways, today I'm filming the long-awaited video of my apartment tour. So background info, I live with 4 other girls. And yeah, so right now I'm filming on my iPhone, the intro, but everything else will be on the camera. So if like you notice like change in quality, like don't mind it. But yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so this is what you see when you enter in the hallway. We have like a mat and stuff like that. And right now we have like a Halloween thing because it is October. So I'm gonna enter in. So this is basically like what you see. Sorry, I'm talking mad quiet. I'm shy. Oh, there's my garlic bread in there. I think it's bird. Yeah, you walk in and this is what you see. So basically, I'll just get started with the kitchen, I guess. So, I hope I'm not covering the mic. I don't think I am. I feel like this is zoomed in too much. Okay. So yeah, so basically we have the kitchen. We have the sink, the dish thingy-mabobber, paper towels, soap, wine. My roommate's 21, so just want to put that out there. Yeah, we have the stove, and then we have like Halloween themed, whatever you call these, like dish towels, spice rack, snacks, more snacks, blah blah. My burnt toast. We have like, I'm gonna show because yeah, I might have to actually blur that out because that has stuff in it. And then in here we have like the spice, more so of the spice cabinet and stuff like that. And yeah, microwave. This is like my cabinet. It's kind of messy right now, but I have rice milk, all of that fun. All that fun stuff. And then this is my roommate's fish. Oh, he's right there. His name is Chief. Yeah, stuff like that. My roommate also like decorated and put like trick or treat there. And then we have like a hocus pocus thing. I don't know how to focus this camera without like it. Okay, yeah. Anyways, I don't know how to focus that camera without it shutting off on me. It already did, but whatever. We have like a pumpkin thing, 2 candles, yeah. And then in these drawers we have like utensils. This is my side. This is also mine, but this goes like over there. And this is my other roommate's side. And then this is also my side, kind of, not really. But yeah, I'm not really gonna show like what's in the drawers because that's boring. And then this is a vase. This is a vase. Yeah, stuff like that. And then we have the washing machine and dryer, whatever. And then there's 2 rooms there, and then the storage closet. And then, so this is like the overview of the kitchen. And then you turn around, and then my roommate just got this cinnamon broom. It smells really good. It's really nice. And then you have like decorations, stuff like that, plants, all of that fun stuff. And then this is basically our TV area. Yeah, so it's just the TV area, I guess. And this is like some cactuses, cacti, whatever. And then like you sit here and then you see like it says welcome. Again, another Halloween thing. And then the TV area. We have some of the Day of the Dead, or whatever it's called, thingies. I don't know what this is called. I forgot what it's called. It starts with a G. I don't know what it's called, but we have that. This is me. A dead plant. These things. I'm really good at this. I've never filmed like an apartment tour thing. I feel like what do? Do I talk? Anyways, we have lots of these, like books, stuff like that, flowers, more candles, more cacti. And then we have a balcony. I'm gonna be careful like showing very close to campus. So yeah. And then we have another seat. This is my favorite like chair. I always sit here. And yeah, so that's basically the living area. This is an overview of it. And then, oh, well, there's more stuff. And then we walk in to my room. So this is like an overview of my room. So yeah, starting with the bed. Here's my bed. I changed the sheets and stuff like that for like fall time. You know, whatever. This is my favorite part of my room, actually, the wall. Anyways, if you hear my camera making like weird noises, it's because I had to change the setting to put it on autofocus because it was not focusing. But anyways, this is my favorite part of the room of like decoration. So basically this is the photo wall, and I put stuff that's like meaningful on the wall. So like if you write me like a note of some sort or anything, I will put it on the wall. So like the purple note is a note from my mentor, and then I have a note from my friend, my sister, and some notes from like other people. And yeah, and then you turn around, and then I have this big tapestry, which I really like because it makes my wall look really like long and stuff like that. I got this from Amazon. I don't know the dimensions of it. I think it's equivalent to a king size sheet or something. I don't know. But yeah, and then I have like my teddy bears and all that fun stuff. And then over here I have my TV, PS4, games, remote, blah blah. And then I have my whatchamacallit, over here I have like, I don't know, kind of like storage. I have my address there, so I'm not gonna really like show it, but it's kind of like my junk table, I guess. So I have like my hydro flask, vitamins, Advil, my glasses case, like a light, and my headphones, blah blah. And then I have my own personal like fridge, because the fridge in the front is pretty like packed. So like inside I have those like cookies that everyone loves, pumpkin rolls, San Pellegrino. Oh, my waffles are in here. Oh my god. Okay, that's funny. Okay, so my camera's dying, but I'll be quick. And then this is like my desk area. I have curtains. The blinds usually always stay closed because I sleep a lot. But yeah, I have like my book bag, stuff like on the bottom, like a garbage can, my other book bag. Here I have like my marker bin, like all this like stuff, tape. Oh yeah, I actually have lights. I forgot. They're like on the bottom. This is like a really like messed up, whatever. But yeah, I have lights. A binder, calculator, my camera. I have 2 succulents left over from the pack. There was a pack of 4, so I just decided to put it on the windowsill. And then over here, this is like new. Over here is my poster for my mentor reveal. So that's my mentor, and then that's me. And I really love Normani, and I feel like everyone at college knows that. So she made me a motivation / mentorvation poster. So I hung it up because it was really nice. And then this is also from, oh my god, I almost fell. This is also from my mentor. It's just like a big like care package thing. And it says princess on it. I think I'm gonna put it on top of the fridge once I empty everything out. I haven't done that yet. And then this is my calendar. Oh, and then my mentor, can this focus? Please focus. Okay, it's not gonna focus. My mentor also gave me flowers. I just stuck them on the wall. But this is like my bedside dresser. I have my watch, a journal, lotion, deodorant, and my normal glasses. And then this is like, oh hello. This is my mirror to my bathroom. And then this is my bathroom. Well, that's me. So yeah, I have like a huge drawer where I keep all my makeup, some more stuff. I have my James Charles palette there, soap, a candle, cleaning supplies. My most valuable makeup stays here, kind of like decoration but kind of not really. And then I have like my skincare, my retainers, like my makeup gloss. Like this is just, I don't have like a jewelry tin, so I just put everything there. And then this is like really like my medicine cabinet, floss, like all of that fun stuff. Toothbrush, toothpaste. I got this at Home Goods, I think. It's soap. And then above the toilet I have like more storage, and this is basically where I keep my other stuff. So this perfume is like, I change between perfumes. So right now, since I wear the Black Opium perfume, it's currently on my photo grid wall thingy-bobber, and then when I start wearing that one, it'll be there. And then here's like my shower. I changed the shower head to a removable one. I don't know what it's called. Detachable one? Yeah, detachable one. And yeah, and then I have like corner thingy and like all of that stuff. Whenever I like watch apartment tours, I really like watching the bathrooms because I want to see what kind of shower head they have. I don't know, that's like a weird thing that I have. And then here's like my closet. It's pretty big, but it's like also very messy because I kind of just like throw everything in here and like don't really care about it. But yeah, that's pretty much my room.